The National Weather Service keeps
southern Cleveland County and central Georgia, northwestern southwestern central Georgia, county of central Georgia, county and central Georgia, northwestern central Georgia, county and central Georgia, southeastern Crawford County and central Georgia, northeastern Houston County and central Georgia, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Over Centerville, Oregon, 9:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Centerville, Oregon, 11 miles northeast of Fort Valley, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Source: hazard, 60 miles per hour with gust and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Locations and patches include expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Centerville. Locations and patches include Fort Valley, Jeffersonville, Warner Robins, Centerville, Byron, Robins Air Force Base, Marion, Farmersville, Jack Brown Estates, Bullard, Rutland, Houston Lake, Lakewood, Huber, District Path, Norville, Cupertino, Omega, Middle Georgia Regional Airport, and Bonnet. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-8667-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.